Right, I've just arrived at site. It's a big crematorium in Nottinghamshire. As you can see from ground level, you don't get a great perspective. So what I'm going to do now is send the drone up. I'll have it on screen recording, and then you'll be able to see what I see. Here we go. And as you can see straight away, you get a better perspective using the drone. If you were to walk around here, as I've done with wellies on, and fell over once, it's just a quagmire up here this time of year. Very muddy, very slippy, and plus you're not going to get the angles and perspectives as you're seeing right now. Sites like this really do warrant drone footage. I like to keep swapping and chopping my angles to keep it interesting, as you can see. I'm very experienced with the thumbsticks. As you can see with the footage, there's no jerks in there. I like to keep it slow and steady, and you'll get nice cinematic footage. I also make sure that I fly everything manually. I never use automatic modes in things like this. I like to frame the shots myself, plus I memorise the altitude and angles, so when I come back to site I just repeat the angles that I've memorised. You can buy a third-party app called Dji, but if I'm to use that and something goes wrong, God forbid a crash or anything like that, or a malfunction, I'm basically not insured, as it's not a DJI app. You're basically not insured. So I like to fly everything manually. I'll fly them all the way around, as you can see now, at 30 metres at this level, and then I'll be flying to 80 metres all the way around, especially top-down shots as well. Then at the end of the 18 months, I stitch all the video footage together which I've collected to make a 2 to 3 minutes time-lapse video for the client at the end, so that's been filmed from groundworks to completion. So that's it now, I'm nearly finished at this site, so I'm just going to be bringing the drone back now. So that was just a video on giving you insight on what I do. This is one of my commercial jobs. I'll be coming here every 3 to 4 weeks to keep the footage updated, aerial photography and aerial filming, and then at the end I put a little video together, a time-lapse video of that all the way through upon completion. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.